This is a Rhine Corp rolling log mousetrap. Carl Rhine, Nantucket, New York. They got a whole website here of that one you just saw flick by. I don't know if I have any. There's the one I got, or something similar. Anyways, he was kind enough to send it to me from watching some of the videos to give it a full-scale test. Now I'm preparing to shut this whole place down for 2.5 months, and that is when Mickey and his friends come and make themselves at home. So far I have already gotten 3 in just the regular traps, but I got a clever one, or I got a big one in here, because I've been pulling the bait off a bunch of the traps and somehow managing to keep going. Regardless, I'm happy and pretty excited to give this a test. I'll have the game camera set up here to catch all of the Disney shenanigans. That is supposed to just be antifreeze. It was just some used antifreeze, but apparently it's got a little skiff of petroleum's finest on top there. I promise I will pull out each and every mouse and give them a wonderful bath with Dawn dish soap as long as they're still here 3 months from now. PETA approved in every way. Little runway there. I've got it baited with peanut butter and prunes. That's a prune cut in half. Stuck through with drywall screws because I won't be back to bait this, you know. So I've got to be able to trust that Mickey can't just lean out there and lick this stuff off, and that's not going to happen with these. You're going to have to get out there and tug, and when you tug, you're going to fall. Should work great. So we'll all be able to find out here, you know, September-ish, what ended up happening, and I suspect that we will have quite the little escapade going in. I do have the rest of the traps still set, but I think that this is going to be the piece de resistance, especially with those prunes on it. They love that. Alright then. You guys have a great summer.